yes, you notice the door isn't latching. This door has air pressure, so sometimes it latches, sometimes it doesn't. I may get a wrench and adjust the power on this one to go to where it will latch, but I'm still considering that decision. You guys on YouTube could say yes or no to this question. I'll be much obliged. So, show it again. And you just do it one final time, and that will be it. Okay, so anyways, that will be it. This one also got adjusted. This one has a slower sweep and a slower latch. So this door sometimes latches and sometimes doesn't.